Hello to you again, my fellow artists. Welcome to week 1 of term 3. Today we are doing a project that's a bit away from recycling, but still ever so fulfilling and lovely. The art of stained glass work originated in the ancient times throughout Egypt and Europe, usually for the windows of churches and other religious buildings. Small pieces of colored or stained glass are put together to form patterns or pictures, and these pieces are held together by strips of lead. In many churches we see pictures of the Bible history. Since ancient times, this was done to help people that could not read to see and understand the story of Christ. We, though, are following a much cheaper and much quicker method. I used white paper for my picture, a sheet of thick plastic, sellotape, black acrylic paint and wood glue, and paper glue with different colors of ink. Because I knew I was going to eventually make a big picture, I bought some spout bottles for my glue. You can, however, also use a palette and a brush, but do remember to clean the brush regularly because you are working with glue. For the lead, mix a bit of black acrylic paint into a good helping of wood glue. Remember, wood glue turns transparent when it dries, so only the black will be seen. For the glass stains, you can mix only 2 or 3 drops of ink into quite a bit of paper glue. My first project was a simple flower. Note that I drew random lines over the flower as if I used different bits of glass. Stick the picture and the plastic onto each other so that your picture will not move once you start working. Carefully start tracing the pencil lines onto the plastic using the black glue. If you have never worked slowly, guys, this is the time to do so. Practice first if you need to. Should you make a mistake, wait until the glue is dry and simply pull it off the plastic. And now you play the waiting game. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Preferably leave your work for about 24 hours and do a little bit every day. Start filling the spaces with the colored glue. Fill half the blocks here and there, and then wait 24 hours before you do the rest. My challenge to myself is about as big as an A4 paper. After a few days, the glue dried so much that I could very carefully actually take it off the plastic and paste it onto the front door of my mom's house. Now, while I've been enjoying myself, Jenny said she'll have a look later. For the moment, she's far away.